and welcome to our new lecture where we'll be learning about regular expressions. So in our previous lecture, we tried to find out this number using character strings. And for that, we used alphabets column and we didn't use the regular expression one. So here we'll be using this one. So instead of using the alphabets, we can go to regular expressions, and we can, since we know that this is a number and it's a multiple digit and we have like the decimal here, like let me just zoom it. We have some decimals here. So I will write a regular expression like big bracket 0 to 9, and we can have a dot as well. We better close curly braces 1 or more. So this says that I'm looking for something that comprises of digits 0 to 9. It can have a dot as well, and that string should be like must be having one digit or more than one digits. So let's click apply, OK, and let's do a match, and Abby has perfectly recognized this. So if you want to know more about this, go to help section, type regular expressions, topics, go down below and you can see everything here. So I use brackets, so this means characters from this set only, and then I use this one n hyphen. In my case it was 1 hyphen, so n or more beats, and you can use these regular expressions to make it more specific. Thanks guys for watching.